I go outside for a short walk.
I go outside for jogging.
I help my family with chores. I eat lunch. Yummy! I return home in the evening.
I drink water during the day.
I talk with my friends. I greet my teacher. I drink a glass of water. I start my classes. I help my mom in the kitchen. I reach my destination safely. I leave home for school. Gosh, I get dressed for the day. I pack my bag. I comb my hair. I eat breakfast on time. I take a shower.
I finish my work for the day.
I set my alarm for tomorrow. I wash my face and hands. I think about my plans for the next day. I lie down on my bed. I fall asleep peacefully. I turn on the lights. Yay! I come back from school. I clean my room a little. I turn off the lights. I check my phone before sleeping. I go to bed early at night. I come back home after playing in the evening. I have dinner with my family.
I drink water when I feel thirsty.
I wash my face to feel fresh.
I am ready to go to school.
I like to keep my room clean before sleeping.
Nonsense. I like to keep my room clean before sleeping. I meet friends whenever I get free time.
I type reports on my computer every day. I type reports on my computer every day. I write short notes during meetings. I write short notes during meetings. I review the key points after finishing a chapter.
Okay.
I write short notes during meetings.
I take notes from the book in my notebook. I read my emails carefully before replying.
I open my book to start studying. I drink tea while planning my day. I prepared a simple breakfast.
I prepare a simple breakfast.
I wash my face to feel fresh. Stay. I make my bed neatly.
I drink a glass of water first thing in the morning. I drink a glass of water first thing in the morning.
I help my mother to make dinner. I clean my room. I eat dinner with my family. I freshen up. Then I come back from school. I stretch my body after waking up. I buy groceries on my way home. I go for a walk in the evening. I take short breaks to relax. I try to stay organized throughout the day. I wake up early every day. I check my phone in the morning. I brush my teeth before breakfast.
I make my bed after waking up.
I wait for the bus. I ride my bike. I lock the door. I leave home carefully. I look in the mirror.
I wear clean clothes.
I open the window for fresh air.
I wake up when my alarm rings. Good morning.
I stretch my body after waking up. I say goodnight to my family.
I set my alarm for tomorrow.
I get ready for bed. I spend time with my family. I eat dinner with my family. I freshen up. Then I come back from school.
I make my bed after waking up.
I help my family with chores.
I eat lunch.
I help my family in the kitchen. I turn on the lights. I prepared a simple breakfast. I eat breakfast.
I help my mother to make dinner.
That's wonderful, sweetie. Let's sort these.
I stretch my body after waking up. I say good night to my family. I clean my room.
I help my mother to make dinner.
That's wonderful, sweetie. Let's sort these.